Well, today was the first Saturday of May, which means something special in the Electric City. Over 400 vehicles were showcased in Great Falls at the annual Cruisin' the Drag Car Show. More than 9 blocks of Central Avenue were blocked off. The event featured all sorts of cars, from one-of-a-kind antiques to military vehicles. Over a dozen local food vendors opened shop, and donations were accepted throughout the day for the Great Falls Community Food Bank. Cruisin' the Drag kicks off the car show season in Great Falls. The next one is set for May 18th at the Frontier Inn in Great Falls.
Now, here's your